Ekitongole ekya Great Lakes Peace Center bakwatanise n'aba Sport of Guide hamwe n'abebembezi b'ebyamagara mu district ya Kasese bakwatanisize hamwe okurwanisa endwara y'ekine omu bakazi benda hamwe n'abakazi barikontya mu district egi. Ogurigira hari Christopher ori omushaho orikukora na Bwera General Hospital nashoborera ngu endwara y'ekine neyongera munonga mu district egi.
During the routine visits, we give chronic care to our clients. We are registering an increase in the number of people living with hepatitis B, and this is affiliated to the avoidance and running away from the preventive measures. Here we are on this day to raise more awareness so as to avert the increasing numbers of hepatitis B.
Ogu nashoborera ngo abakazi 50 barkwija irware ri kucebezenda 10 mu rubo baba beine indwara y'ekine.
Sometimes we are limited by the strips. During their absence, we have a decrease in the registration of the positives. But when we have the materials available, the people are many that are being diagnosed living with these chronic illnesses. So we also look at the pregnant mothers. When we have got supplies around, we diagnose at least 10 pregnant mothers living with hepatitis B per 50 mothers screened in a week.
One of the services that we have brought to Bwera General Hospital is with support from Gilead. We have testing services, we've had counseling services, we've had referrals from different areas of Bukonzo and Songora.
Ogu yayanangiriza abakazi mu district egi hoteriho n'emyanya yihinguririzeho gumanu bataho buriyo kurebeka ngo bakebeza karendwara egi itakabarembize abukuba ne yakabi kamani ibaza no kuhendera irigiremo endwara ya kokoro.
This disease is a disease of the liver, that's why it stages most, but it can complicate to other organs. It can complicate to the liver, it can complicate to the kidneys, it can complicate to the heart, it can complicate to the brain. It makes those complications when it has completely decompensated the liver. When the liver no longer performs any of its duties, the other vital organs are compromised.
Gurigira Afan Abdul uri mukuru w'ekitongole ekya Great Lakes Peace Center nashoborera ngo abakazi abarikumanya uko amagara gabo gemereire ukukira munonga endwara y'ekine mu district ya Kasese bagenzire nebeyongera ogurga habuceka 15 harigana oguza habuceka 20 harigana atyo nko kwihanangiriza biba magara mu district egi okutaho buriyo urebeka ngo bagumana bashomesa abakazi benda okucebeza endwara egi abukuba ne yakabikamani.
When you look at the hepatitis B awareness, we have really tried to amplify the message about hepatitis B, and as we speak there is a very good percentage, let's say like 15 to 20% of the message being reached out to those that did not know anything about hepatitis B. We've really tasked the medical team to continue sensitizing the pregnant mothers, because we are trying to promote the birth dose vaccination on the issues of hepatitis B and the other related diseases.
Ebitongole bitari bimwe na bimwe mu district ya Kasese byekoziremo umurimo okubya kubasa kujanjaza amakuru agarukwata handwara y'ekine kurebeka ngo byatsendeza abantu okukira munonga bakaza barikontya hamwe n'abinenda abarikwitwa endwara niemwe. Makuraga gasha kwa Gerard Muhindo aba Sky TV agenshonga muri Kasese.
Ourselves, the medical team, what is the problem? So